What's up YouTube, it's WaveManMike. Alright, in this video I'm just going to be doing a bald drop fade. So right now I'm just combing out the client's hair. Make sure it's no kinks or knots or nothing like that. Then I'm going to brush it down just so it's laid, like more laid than it was when I combed it. Alright, right here I'm making my bald guideline. I'm just making like a guideline for that guideline, if that makes sense, to start out with. So this is where the first guideline will be at, and then I'll just actually press down on the clippers and get rid of that hair. So let me do that right now. Alright, so now that I've cleared out that hair, made the guideline, I'm going to brush that down, and then I'm going to go in with the clippers fully open with no guard. And I'm going to make the second guideline. Alright, so here's a tip and a secret. The lower you make that first guideline, the more space you have to use for your other guidelines. And the bigger the area you use for each guideline, the blurrier that fade will come out. So you see how big of a space between this first and second guideline I have created is, and that's going to contribute to how blurry the fade turns out in the end, and it's going to turn out really nice. Alright, so now I'm just doing lever work, moving between open and closed. Right now the lever's all the way closed, and I'm hitting the bottom of that area that I've just created that guideline. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back and open it halfway, and I'm just going to keep moving it back and forth from open to close, just to get rid of this guideline as much as possible, make this blend as blurry as possible. Alright, so now I'm going in with the zero guard, and it's all the way open, and I'm creating the next guideline. You can see it's a very big area that I'm creating it with, just so I can have more space to blend, and it's going to turn out a lot better because of this wide area that I've created. So watch as I blend, and watch how blurry this fade turns out. Alright, so now I'm going in and knocking down these excess hairs at the top so they can blend into the rest of the head very neatly. And it's gonna look, yeah, it's gonna look nice. I'm gonna show you how it looks after, because this is not really the most ideal angle for recording this video. It was very uncomfortable. I had to twist my arm backward just for the camera to be able to see what I was doing. But yeah, it's, I mean, at the end of the day, the haircut still turned out nice. So fast forward a little bit, I've just blended that area. It was no point in showing that, keeping that part in the video, because I accidentally blocked the camera. And right now I'm just cutting down some of that hair in the crown. I did take down the hair a little bit. This client likes for me to take down the hair there. I'm knocking down the hair on the hairline right now. By the way, this client is also a YouTuber. His name is Brandon Fly Mars. You can go check out his YouTube channel. He does videos on his waves. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do the shape up. So just brush down the lineup, and then you just go in. My arm did block the camera for a second there, but I'm going to move it in a second, so don't worry about that. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and cut down the hairline. Always start in the middle, just so you can gauge and make it even. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and fix up that on the right side as well. Right now I'm just working on the left. On the right. Okay, so now you can see a better view of this, and I can go ahead and fix up the lineup, but I did that off camera. And now I'm just going to show off the lineup and the blend on this cut. You can see it's very well blended. I did a very good job, I think, on blending that, and you can tell me your opinions in the description as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I'm WaveManMike. Enjoy your day. That's it. Bye.